Hey everyone, Colorado Avalanche Collector 19 here with another video on a Tuesday afternoon / evening. So, St. Louis came back last night, tied up the series 2-2, and now it's the best of 3. So it could go to a game 6, will definitely go to a game 6, or it could go to a game 7. And did you see Chara take that puck off, like deflected off the stick and hit him in the mouth? Oh, and then he came back. Oh, just absolutely insane. Poor guy, fractured jaw. No update on the status for Game 5. Guess we'll find that out tomorrow. But enough about that. Let's get to some pack openings. So today I have 4 of these pristine Dollarama packs, 15 cards per pack. And I also got this 80 hockey card pristine pack. Yeah, so there's an ice card which I collect. I collect ice cards. And there's also a Thomas Fleischmann that I don't have for the Colorado PC. So here we go, and let's see if we can find any hidden gems inside of these packs. Okay, pack number 1. Let's get started. Okay, we start with a Martin St. Louis. Yeah, Martin St. Louis SPX. Gary Roberts SP from 93-94. Doug Gilmour. Alexander Mogilny rookie. Alexei Zhetnik, Young Guns. It's not a rookie, but pretty cool. Olaf Kozlig rookie. Eric Fair, Heroes and Prospects. Parkhurst. Jeff O'Neill. Brian Bellows. Murray Barron. Bernie Nichols. Mario Roberge. Everett Senepes. Todd Dutiam. I don't know. What'd you do to him? No. Stefan DeCosta. Hot rookies. And here's a nice one here. Yeah. So we have in the game Pavel Zacha from Leaf. Same set as the Connor McDavid's that you get in the Walmart repackages. I'll flip this. We have Dennis Wideman, Tommy Sodin, Dean Evison, Jason Dahl from Parkhurst, Kelly Miller, Adrian Plavsic, Matthew Lombardi, Ben Bishop, that's a cool one. Ben Bishop. Pretty sweet. From 08. So that might be a pre-rookie, but Ben Bishop. Jake Barakowski, Ulf Down, Dale Craigwell, Glenn Healy, rookie, Al McInnes, and Scott Young on USA. There's a pretty sweet card right there. Had to snag this one up. It's from 15-16 Champs, and it's a Jacob Delarose rookie. So, Jacob Delarose rookie from 15-16 Champs. Pretty nice. Okay, if we were to flip it over, we have Patrick Marleau, Daniel Berthiaume, Pat Eliniuk, Rob Schick, ref card, Derek King, the New York Rangers award card. Oh, PHC8. Okay, so that's a Parkhurst insert. That's pretty cool. I never knew about this one, but yeah, that's the New York Rangers. Mike Gardner, Mark Messier, and Brian Leach. Rick Koivu. Here's Marc Messier from 1991 Upper Deck. Philip Auberge, Roman Turek, the Edmonton Oilers, Stephen Rice, L.I. Frady, Grant Fuhr, and Tommy Sjogren again. Okay, one more pack of this. 15, and then on to the 80 card pack. So we have a Jonathan Drouin from 15-16 Champs. Not sure if that's a short print or not, but Jonathan Drouin. Andre Palat. A prospect of Claude Lapointe. Adam Burt. Kevin Todd. Kevin Stevens. Dino Ciccarelli. Ilf Samuelson. Oh, this is a cool one. Ron Tugnut from 2001 Signature Series. There's a neat card. Oh, it's an insert. Okay, Eric Bolton, 21st Century Rookies from Crown Royal. So we got an actual insert. Cool. Brent Ashton, Steve Larmer, Gretzky 2000. Has a weird finish on it. Like it's not glossed over like 1991 Upper Deck. Cool. Wayne Gretzky 2000 points. Guy Carbonneau and L.I. Frady. Okay, on to the 80 card pack. So, switched up the background for a little bit. There's the two polls from the last video, Alex DeBrincat and Brock Besser. Still excited about those. Don't know if I'll trade them or not. Okay, we begin with this Frederick Anderson Ice. And this is from 15-16. We have Kyle Turris. Ooh, Michael Ryder. That's pretty nice. Michael Ryder. A Mike Keane. And that's rookie, and that's for the PC. Mick Fukuda. Okay, we're going to flip this. Thomas Fleischman. Rookie and traded. So, Thomas Fleischman when he went to Colorado from Washington. Mike Smith. Okay, we're going to get a bunch of these either which way. Let's flip them this way. Wow. Okay. Gerard Gallant. Todd Creeker. Kelly Miller. Garnet Exelby. Julien Elise Plant. Marty Turkle. Jeff O'Neill. Murray Craven. We have Darren Turcotte. Sergei Makarov. Andrew Castles. Andrew Castles again. Claude Lemieux. Claude Lemieux. There we go. Al McInnes. Todd Hargy. Okay. Steve Casper. There's a Kings card. Yarko Varvio. Frank Pietrangelo. Vladimir Krutov. Ed Ochik. Brad Shaw. J.P. Dumont. Antti Niemi. Oh, that's cool. And we've got a retro of Reamsteig. Antti Niemi. Everyone's favorite ant. According to ZV11 and a lot of other people. Trevor Van Riemsdyk. Oh, no blank back. Still, OPG Retro. That's pretty sweet. Vlastimil Krupa. Isn't he one of the Super Mario Brothers bosses? Like, enemies? No? No. Paul DiPietro. Curtis Brown. Kimmo Rintinen. Stefan Ustorf. Jaroslav Moldry. Rich Suter. Travis Green. And Dean Evison. So, nothing mind-blowing there. Let's see how this goes. I guess Either which way, it don't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Okay. Jake DeBrusque, Carl Palmieri. Oh, here's some backwards cards. Why not? Ed Olczyk, Ray Ferraro, painting. Darren Pupa, Paul Gillis, Kelly Miller, Ed Olczyk, Brian Hayward, Ted Drury, Todd Krieger. Lots of 90 Bowman. This was all junk. Brendan Morrill, Jeff Schultz, Frantisek Caberlet, John Cullen, Dave Gagne, Dave Barr, Chris Gratton, Gary Shuchik, Darcy Lewin, Yvonne Corvu, Milos Holan, Brian Bellows. Oh, that's a cool find. You know what? It's not worth much now. It's probably like 75 cents, but Sergey Samsonov rookie. Oh, that's a really cool find out of a Dollarama pack. So this is why Dollarama packs are fun. You find just really old cards that are long forgotten. Sergey Samsonov. You know what? I'm gonna just put him in the back there. That's cool. Rick Tabaracci, and that might be a rookie. No, second year. Mikhail Renberg. Okay, we have some of these. John Tennelly, Don Beaupre, Perry Bearson, tops. Ben Clymer, Mike Brodeur, Marian Hossa, Andrei Trefilov, Eric Lindros, super rookie. Not as rookie, obviously, but some of the rookie goal scoring leaders. Look at Teemu Selanne, 76 goals. Oh, wow, blowing the competition out of the water. Then you have like Dixon Ward, Rob Goudreau, Alexei Zamnov, Andrei Kovalenko, Keith Tkachuk with 28. That's crazy. Paul Calvolini, Brian Glynn, 91 QMJHL draft. And on the front is Alexander Dag. Why does it look like he has one arm? Troy Loney. We have Martin Hansel. And maybe end off with Colin Greening. So, yeah. Fun little break. Hope you all enjoyed some of those old school names, some of the old cards. Main card probably was the Sergey Samsonov, which was pretty nice to pull. Don't think it's worth much now, but still, Sergey Samsonov. Pretty cool. Nice. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content in the near future. And if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my videos, by all means, leave some feedback in the comments or show some support. And as always, best of luck with your breaks and keep enjoying the videos. Thanks, everyone. Bye.